So it's Saturday here in Ubon Ratchathani, and we're just on the way out to the farm. But whilst we're on the way out to the farm, we thought we'd check out this cafe. We always drive by it, but we've never stopped in it. So we're stopping in it today just to check it out. So you recognise this place instantly by the big elephants out the front. And yeah, it looks like it's got a bit of a garden around it, or a big lake out the back there. But let's walk in, check out this place. I think Anne's already walked in. Oh, you got chickens outside. On here. Sort of creatively set out outside. But let's go in. Check it out. Don't know where Anne's sitting. Oh yeah. So it's got a pretty good setup inside. So yeah, we're just going to order some brownie. Looks like they've got a few cakes here as well. Little snacks on here. Yes, of course you've got your drinks. But yeah, nice setup. Yes, but we've ordered waffle. Got some cool old stuff in here. Look at these. Like bowls. These people are collectors. Oh, they're interesting clocks. Actually all clocks. Very creative clocks there. Look at these, they look cool. Just old collections. I don't know what this is. If anyone can tell me what that is, that's very interesting. Yeah, please leave comments below if you know what this particular thing is. Not sure what it is. Oh, look at these, the old phones. Look pretty cool. This person's a real collector. The old glasses. But that's quick. Look at these, they look like old British hats. Oh, is that old Thai military or something, is it? Yeah. The old bicycles. Not sure what this is, but I'm guessing it's got something to do with coffee. So I've come outside here. A little bit of a walkway here, actually. Don't know where this is taking me. Outside this cafe. Oh, you've got places you can stand and just take photos. I don't know why they have a walkway here though. Just chickens and ducks in this area. Looks like at some point they've tried to create a sort of outdoor setting there as well. Looks a bit run down, but still okay if you just want to sit outside, I guess. So yes, there's another section of this cafe too where you can sit outdoors. Toilets are outdoors. Got a little jungle theme going here in Ubon Ratchathani. And I'll put the location and name below, but yeah, this takes you to the toilets, but I'm not here for that. I just wanted to see how they've set it out. But yeah, really nice outdoor setting. We can sit outside, chill and relax. Nice water features around here. Places you can sit outdoors. This is bigger than I thought. What's in here? Not sure what's in this place. But lots of carriages. Looks like a whole theme. It was a lot bigger than I thought. Oh, what's in here? Let's have a look. Well, this place looks like a whole sort of theme park of some sort. Interesting. So in Thai, if you're reading this, that's what's here. Looks like maybe there's an entry fee to go in there. Not sure what's in there though. Ah, curious. It's only finding these places just hidden away in the middle of nowhere. Well, it's not in the middle of nowhere, it's on the main road between Ubon and Royat. In Ubon here. I'm not sure what these are. Anyone tell me what these are supposed to be? But yes, cool little water feature. Also a range of different Thai snacks here. Of course, different types of ice cream. Ah, what's in it? What's there? Yes, so the menu here has a variety of sort of Thai food as well as desserts, and there is a garden that you can go check out the back, which you pay a little entry fee for. We can go explore their garden, and but overall the waffles are delicious here. Ice cream's really nice, and coffee's pretty good too. So it's probably worth a stop if you just want to go a little bit out of Ubon Ratchathani, about 10 minutes out, just to relax.